Well, good afternoon everybody. My name's Robert Wellock. I'm the organiser of the War of the Roses lorry run. This is the third time I've done it. We're here at the Leyland assembly plant, who have kindly allowed us to park all the vehicles here and have treated us to some lunch. We're just a set of like-minded people who have all the old wagons, and we're out just enjoying ourselves, but one of the main causes is that we're raising money for the Parkinson's disease. At the moment here in the car park there's approximately 60 wagons. People have come from 3 from Northern Ireland, 1 from Holland, they've come from the top of Scotland and from the southern England and everywhere in between, so it's a right collection of people. So we've come out to Southport this morning and worked our way back to Leyland, and then this afternoon we're going to head our way back over to Skipton and then back to Coniston to the hotel. We'll have the function room tonight, and then in the morning we're going to head over to West Yorkshire and go into the David Brown factory where they made the tractors, and then work our way back to Coniston in the afternoon where we'll have a final tea and say goodbye to everybody.